Hello, my buddy. I am Luna, and welcome back to English with Luna. Today, I want to share something special with you. We are going to talk about music, about life as a teenager, and about how music makes us feel. This is a story about me, about my favorite music, and about the fun I have with my best friend Isabella here in New York. So relax, listen, and enjoy this story in easy English. Since I was very young, I have loved music. Music is like magic for me. When I feel happy, I listen to music. When I feel sad, I also listen to music. Music is always with me. One of my favorite singers is Lana Del Rey. I love her voice. It is soft, it is deep, and it feels emotional. When I listen to her songs, I feel calm and dreamy. Sometimes I walk in the city listening to Lana Del Rey, and I feel like I am in a movie. But I also like other music. I really enjoy deep house. The beat is strong, it makes me want to dance, and it gives me energy. Deep house is different from Lana Del Rey, but that is why I like it. Music can be soft, or strong, or fast, or slow. All kinds of music are special. Now, let me tell you something about living in New York. New York is a big city. It is loud, full of people, and always alive. And of course, there are many places for music. There are concerts, small bars with live music, and big events. One thing I really enjoy are raves. Raves are big music parties, usually with DJs, lights, and electronic beats. People dance for hours. They forget the stress of life and just enjoy the moment. I go to raves with my best friend Isabella. She is like a sister to me. We study together, we laugh together, and we go out together. When we go to a rave, we always have a lot of fun. The lights are colorful, the sound is strong, and everyone is moving. It feels like freedom. Sometimes we also go with other friends. We dance, we take pictures, we laugh. The music connects us. Even if people don't know each other, they dance together. That is something I love about music. It brings people close. Let me share a small story with you. One night, Isabella and I went to a rave in Brooklyn. It was very late, almost midnight. The place was full of people. The DJ started playing one of my favorite deep house tracks. The lights were blue and purple. At that moment, I looked at Isabella and she smiled at me. We started dancing. Soon, a group of people around us also started dancing with us. We did not know them, but it felt like we were friends. For a few hours, we were all connected by the same beat. After the rave, we were tired but very happy. We walked in the streets of New York at 4 a.m., holding a slice of pizza. The city was quiet, but we still felt the music inside us. That is something I will never forget. As a teenager, music is very important to me. It helps me when I study, it helps me when I feel nervous, and it makes me feel confident. Sometimes school is stressful. Sometimes life feels heavy. But when I put my headphones on and play my favorite songs, I feel better. Do you feel the same? Does music also help you when you feel tired or sad? I think many teenagers feel this way. Music is like a friend. It doesn't matter if you are in a good mood or a bad mood, music is always there for you. I want to know about you too. What kind of music do you like? Do you also enjoy electronic music, or do you prefer rock, pop, or maybe classical music? And if you ever went to a concert or a rave, how was your experience? Did you go with friends? Did you dance all night? Tell me in the comments. I would really love to read your stories. So my buddy, today I told you about my love for music, my favorite artists like Lana Del Rey, my passion for deep house, and my fun nights at raves in New York with my best friend Isabella. Music is part of my life, and I hope you also have music that makes you feel happy and free. Thank you for listening to me today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would also love to hear from you. Please tell me in the comments how you feel about music, what songs you love, and what episodes you would like to hear in the future. I send you a big hug and see you in the next episode. Bye-bye!